Welcome back to my channel. And so today's video I'm gonna do a squishy update part 1, and I'm so excited. This is my first time making squishy and show it to you guys. Some of it is slow rising, but some of it is not that slow rising, and it's ugly but it's cute. Okay, this is my favorite. So the first one, I have this peach squishy. It's supposed to be the eye bloom peach. So there. It's not that slow rising, but it's so cute, and it comes with a purple leaf, and it's just spongy, but it's cute. Like I make this like one few months, and the next one I have is this bubble tea, inspired by Ketchup Gary, and it's a little bit slow rising here, but I don't know if you can see. And this jaw. So there. The next one is this YouTube button. It's just slow rising in the white. Okay, it's a YouTube button. And the next one I have is this watermelon. It is so cute. And it's a little bit slow rising. It's still pungy because I'm using this, but it's not done yet, but I'm gonna fix it later. The next one I have this pudding, I think, inspired by Ketchup Gary again. It's not that slow rising, but the ice is super slow rising. The next one I have this horse. It's not that slow rising, it's still spongy. But it's cute, but the color. I have this bean, I think. I call it a bean because it's so soft and so cute. There. And I have this like yellow thing. I don't know what is it, but I called it just a yellow thing. I'm just gonna put a design later. The next one I had this this tin bun or siopao. And this one is I use memory foam. So it's like slow, it's a little bit slow rising. It's a little bit slow rising, it's so cute. Okay. The next one I have this macaron. Sorry guys, I'm not good at this. And I have this like tie-dyed red. And I have this chocolate chip. I don't know if you can see this red thing, but yeah. And so that's all for now, guys, because I didn't make a lot. And yeah, bye guys, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope wait. So again, bye guys, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video and like this video. And if you want more squishy update, just comment down below. Bye guys, I love you all.